Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track navigation menu using Google Tag Manager and send them as a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get it started. So you can see over here, we're going to be tracking navigation menu for this website. So you can see we have different types of navigation menus available here, like home, about us, advisory, training, rectifier, insights, careers, and contact us. So for example, you want to track some of them and you want to see them as a GA4 event. So how you can actually do that? So in this video, we are going to be showing you this. Okay. So you can see over here, I have already created tag manager account and all the necessary tag triggers and variables for this website. Okay. And additionally, we have a GA4 property. Okay. Perfect. So let's see how we can set up the navigation menu using Google Tag Manager. Okay. So first of all, let's preview this container. Now I'm going to be providing my website URL. This is already there and I'll hit connect. Then I'm going to be clicking on some of the navigation menus like home, about us, advisory. Okay, so I'll click on, for example, home. And if I go to the link clicks, then if I go to the variables section, then you can see over here as the click text, we have home. Okay. Similarly, if I click on about us and if I go to the link click again, then we have about us. Similarly, we'll have the advisory. Okay. So just wait a little bit. Maybe we need to click this section again. Somehow it has disconnected. So let's preview it again. I'm gonna preview it again. Hit connect. So I'll click on advisory again. So if I go to the link click variable, then you can see advisory. Okay. And last one would be training. So we're going to be showing for this for home, about us, advisory, and training. Okay. So if I go to link click and this is training. Okay. Perfect. So first of all, we need to create the triggers. Okay. So we'll be creating a trigger called nav menu trigger. Nav means navigation menu. Okay. So you can either take all elements or just links. So I'm gonna be taking just links, some link clicks. Then I'm gonna be using click text. Then I'll be using mass regex. Okay. So if I go to over here, then first option is home, then about us. So let's click on home. So link click, I'm gonna be taking the home section from here or home text from here, and we're gonna be separating by pipe as it is a mass regex. Okay. Then we're gonna be clicking on about us. So home, then about us. So I'm gonna be copying about us. Then I'll provide pipe again. Then we're going to be taking training. Then I will be using pipe again. And as I already told you, we are going to be taking these four nav menu. Actually, you can take as much as you can, but for demonstration purpose, we are showing 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can take rectifier, insights, carriers, and contactors. The procedure is same. Okay. So click text, mass rejects, home, pipe, about us, pipe training, pipe advisory. Okay. Then I'll click on save. Now we need to create a tag for this. So I'm gonna name this tag as GA4 event nav menu. Okay. Tag configuration would be Google Analytics GA4 event. Then we need to provide the measurement ID. So we have already created a GA4 measurement ID variable. So we are gonna be connecting this one. So the event name would be GA4 underscore nav menu. Okay. GA4 underscore nav menu, and as the event parameters. So if I go to the website, then you can see our text are different, like home, about us, advisory, and training. So how will identify the text? So for identifying it, we're going to be using the event parameter. Okay. So we're going to be using click text. Okay. And it would be the dynamic value. Okay, so by using this dynamic value, we'll be able to identify the click text. Yeah, and the triggering would be nav menu trigger. And I'm gonna click on save. So we are in the debug view section. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, so for testing, I'll go to the preview section. Just wait a little bit. I'll hit continue. And I'm gonna go to the website and I'll click on this home nav menu. And let's go to the analytics. Just wait a little bit, it is loading. Oh, it might take some while, so it is not connected. So let's debug it again. So I'm gonna click on the preview section, connect again. Just wait a little bit. Tag assistant connected. Continue. So let's click on this home navigation menu and let's go to the tag assistant. So you can see over here GA4 event nav menu has fired one time. So let's go to the analytics. GA4, it will come, just wait a little bit. Loading, maybe the internet connection is not that much stable. So GA4 nav menu, okay. And if I click on click text, then you can see this is home. Okay, perfect. So let's click on about us. Let's click on about us again. And let's go to the analytics. This one is the previous one. And this one is the latest one, GA4 nav menu. So let's click on click text so you can see over here about us. So if someone clicks on advisory, then it will be showing the click text as advisory. Similarly for training. So if you do it for rectifier, insights, carriers, and contactors, it will be showing the exact value. Okay. So this is how you can identify click text, and you can uh, set up GA4 nav menu for your GA4 event. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.